Alright guys, so I decided to start out at my favorite place, Marshall's. I needed to grab some baskets to organize, some candles. I love shopping for candles. They really just make any room or space feel so cozy. It pulls the entire vibe together. I spent a lot of time in this aisle. I always do. It is my absolute favorite. And of course, I had to grab something for Scar. He would be so hurt if I came home with all these goodies and nothing for him. So yeah, that's what I was doing here. Alright guys, I just got back from the store. I'm going to start on the closet and the laundry area, but I wanted to show you how much I've got. I'm so excited. However, I'm not going to show you every individual thing because when I start to put it all into the closet, I will show you. Alright, so this is currently our laundry area in the apartment. It is an absolute train wreck. I don't know how it became such a disaster. However, both of us are very busy with school and work. So this area just became a space to store random items and it just got out of control. I cannot deal with clutter, so this has been driving me insane. So today the goal is to tear this place apart and declutter it and make it a space for only laundry stuff. There isn't a lot of space I'm working with, so I really want to keep this simple and to the point. Okay, so here is my mini linen closet. I have towels shoved in here right now, blankets, curtains, pillowcases. It is just absolutely out of control. And down here I have my boyfriend's chargers, my boyfriend's checkbook, oil for our diffusers, a game of Uno, Q-tips, just a lot of random items. Down here I have face masks, AirPods, backup skincare. Down here, I have stuff for when I throw parties at my house. I have just a lot of random party decor. I am going to be taking all of this out, organizing it, and finding a different place to store it because really it is just unnecessary in the linen closet. So I am just going to take everything out of this area. I'm going to make a way bigger mess by laying this all out in front of me, so I can see where I'm going to store it and how I'm going to organize it. Alright guys, so another thing that drives me absolutely insane is that every time I reorganize any area in the house, I always find these random little gadgets and things that my boyfriend buys. He has an addiction to shopping for the most random stuff. What is this? He would never use this. I don't understand why he purchased this. I find things like this, like random little items and knickknacks all over the house, and for what reason, I'm not sure.
It's not for me to say.
Alright, I got this cute little jar right here for detergent. It is so cute and perfect. I know it's kind of small. I wanted one a little bit bigger, but for the sake of not having that much time, not wanting to wait for it to come in the mail, I saw this one and I was like, I'll just refill it more often. It came with this cute little scooper, which I really needed. So this one is what we went with. This was literally $4.50, guys. On clearance, so cute.
It's not for me to say.
My boyfriend had just gotten off work, so he decided to interrupt my cleaning per usual.
Hey, what's up, channel?